with TEKNOS has improved our production where we can now use up to 4 metre wide plates.
I'd say it's very, very user friendly. Cutting is very precise. There's no markups in the side of the parts or anything.
Murray Steel Products are a specialist supplier of steel plate, profiles and structural steel, supplying markets in construction, yellow goods, offshore, energy, infrastructure and renewables. We saw an increased demand for larger and longer profiles, so we were looking for an extensive machine that covered all these capabilities to enable us to be a leader in supplying this market.
It's very easy to use. I've trained people on it who have no experience in this field of work and they've picked it up in like a week.
And with Hypertherm plasma torch and inkjet from rear, we can do a lot more process than we couldn't do before.
TECOI understood our desire to cover the broader extremes as well as the mid-range capabilities, and we are confident that TECOI met these demands.